Culinary. Money work. El mundo quiere dinero. Money work. Se arregla con dinero.
Okay, yeah. Hey, everybody. So when you are on your LinkedIn profile, you'll come in here like this. And what you want to do is come down to where it says experience. Okay, so you can see right there is your activity and your experience. And right there, you want to make sure that you select the Rotary Club of Global Impact. Don't select like the regular Rotary. You want to make sure it's the Rotary Club of Global Impact. And the way you'll know that is our symbol will come up, our seal, and you'll notice our seal. So there it is right there. Okay. Now let's just go back when you're doing that. We'll just go back. Okay. And there's your profile again. Of course, you're looking at mine, but that's okay. Now you'll select this pencil over here to edit, and this will actually auto propagate and select the, you want to add. So you would be of course adding, click the plus sign and add a position. So you would add a position. Okay. And right there, when it asks you what is the position that you want to add, so you see here where it says company name, that's where you're going to start to type in Rotary, and it's going to start giving you choices. Look there. Now, don't select that first one because that means you work at the headquarters and you live in Chicago. Select that second one, the Rotary Club of Global Impact. And if you need to keep typing, you can do it. Look, club. Rotary Club. Okay, there's Rotary Club of Global Impact. There's Rotary Club. There's other ones, Rotary Club of Birmingham, Alabama, Rotary Club of Hong Kong. You'll see it. That's us right there. Select us. Make sure you pick us. Okay. Don't have the wrong one in there. And then your title can be whatever your title is. Chairperson of DEI. Okay. And your employment, that's really up to you. I have mine as full-time, but some people want, because it would be a conflict with their job and they don't want to get in trouble with their boss. Oh yeah, I was looking at your LinkedIn profile and you're working full-time on this thing with Rotary. Oh, boss, I marked it as part-time. I don't even want you working part-time at somewhere else. Okay, boss, let me go back to the office. I'll change it to, something else like freelance or contract, or seasonal, something else. Okay. We don't want you to have any problems, with your boss, that type of situation. We don't want that to happen. Okay. Location to be where you live. Okay. So, just put wherever you live there. Okay. And your start date can be April. That's when the club opened of 2022. That's good. So, the rest is pretty elementary. The industry is a nonprofit organization. The description, just put whatever you want in there, for the description. If you want to, feel free to rip off mine. You can go in there and just copy mine. Okay. Just feel free to copy mine and just put it right in. That's completely up to you. And then you would just change a few of these words in here. Okay. So as the president, okay, so as the chairperson of the fundraising committee, I'm very proud to see, just leave the rest of this just the way it is. Okay. So pretty simple to wordsmith this to your liking and make it good for you the way you want it to read. And that's how you update your LinkedIn profile. And thank you so much.